Welcome to the Emergency News Network. Today, something strange has happened. A lot of computers from the technology stores across the central United States have been reported to be malfunctioning in a crazy fashion, which blew up several seconds later. As a result of this, damage to the walls of the store has occurred. What really scares me is that a strange noise would be heard every time a computer would explode. It is currently unknown what the cause of this is, but at this time, you are advised to dispose of your computer to the police immediately. Call 911 now if you have questions or if need help. This glitching can be deadly to humans if close enough to the device. Let me say this only affects computers at this time. This could change, but we don't really know anything much right now. So far, that's all we know. We'll be right back after this break. Welcome back to the Emergency News Network. Today, we have some shocking news right now. More computers across the central United States are beginning to malfunction, and then several seconds later, they explode, releasing something not known to anyone. Then this weird sound is heard when the computer explodes. We are still trying to figure out what it is, but so far, no attempts on figuring it out was a success. This is a very strange situation, and the United States government, along with all technology companies, are trying to figure out the cause of this and a solution to it. We are not expecting a response until several days from now. So far, that's all we know. We'll be right back after this break. Welcome back to the Emergency News Network. The computers that were exploding after malfunctioning for a few seconds are confirmed to be releasing demons, which was the weird sounds we all been hearing each time a computer exploded. This means that demons have been released from exploding computers all over the central United States. Hold on, a new activation of the emergency alert system is about to interrupt this program. Please stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Residents for the central United States, shelter in place immediately. Reports came in about demons being released and heard from a computer that malfunctions, then explodes a few seconds later. In addition, these demons have the ability to delete people when attacking them. These demons can also brainwash the human, edit the human, as in, removing the arms and legs instantly, rearranging some body parts, and pretty much anything that you can do in a video editor. People are calling these demons computer demons because these demons came from computers and that they have the ability to do all these things to people. These demons are beginning to spread into the eastern and Pacific United States. As a result, all residents for the United States are strongly advised to shelter in place immediately. An underground shelter containing food, water, clothing, medical supplies, or anything necessary until further notice is strongly recommended. Avoid bringing devices with you, as this malfunctioning process is now affecting all forms of technology, except for radios. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. Immediate evacuation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The demons are uncontrollably deleting and/or brainwashing people across the central United States. Due to the demons deleting train drivers, many trains have crashed and derailed in terrible ways, especially passenger trains, killing everyone on board. Due to the extreme danger from these computer demons, all residents of the central United States are ordered to evacuate the area immediately. This is a mandatory order. If you choose not to, you have no chance of surviving this disaster. Please take food, water, clothing, medical supplies, or anything necessary for your journey. Do not bring any devices other than a battery-powered radio, as devices are now considered illegal due to this situation. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. More demons have been released from exploding computers across the central, mountain, and eastern United States. Many people have been brainwashed, deleted, and even turned into demons themselves. Extreme damage has also occurred as a result of this outbreak. This is a very scary situation and must not be ignored. Many experts across the United States are working on a solution to this crisis. These computer demons are expected to continue spreading to the western United States and possibly the central United States too. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Believe it or not, but the Federal Emergency Management Agency just got attacked by these computer demons, in which all of them actually turned into demons themselves. The computer demons have also begun to replicate itself rapidly, and they are just out of control. The United States government and experts across the United States are working on a solution to this situation. We are hoping this ends well. However, it is very likely that this won't end well. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous and nightmarish situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The creation of these computer demons have been discovered. The cause of the computer's malfunctioning was caused by the demons inside the computer so they can escape, causing this nightmarish scenario to unfold. Apparently, the cause of these demons coming to life was a virus inside cyberspace. Someone was trying to create a virus so they can hack into other people's accounts. Due to a programming error, a computer demon has somehow formed by the error, which proceeded to the computer exploding somehow, which created the demon. Nobody has a clue about how this is possible, but that the cause. Everyone, stay in your shelters and remain tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and NASA. NASA has discovered an opening of the Earth crust somewhere in the southeastern United States. It is believed that the computer demons were the cause of this opening. As a result of an opening of the Earth crust occurring, residents within a 50-mile radius of the opening are advised to evacuate the area immediately as a precaution. It is unknown if these computer demons will cause any more openings, but anything is possible at this time. Because of this, the mass is continuing to grow. Experts across the United States are working on a solution to this situation. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The computer demons continue to cause mass chaos, deleting people, as well as brainwashing them, transformation into demons, and things getting worse every hour. The president is nowhere to be found, and experts across the United States have fallen. Everything is hitting rock bottom. Anyone who has and sheltered in place yet, you are ordered to do so right this instant. The United States government is claiming that Grey Goo is about to happen. Grey Goo is a nanotechnological substance in a hypothetical scenario in which the mass of the Earth is ectophaged into self-replicating nanobots, which is considered a nightmarish scenario. Grey Goo is capable of causing a global crisis should one occur. While there are no nanobots in the area, but demons, we are still calling it that because it has just been discovered 5 minutes ago in the previous alert that these computer demons began to replicate itself, especially by deleting others. These computer demons are expected to spread across the entire United States in the next 2 hours, and it is possible where they might spread farther. Reports have also come in stating the computer demons are in portions of southeastern Canada and northeastern Central America. There have been no attempts that have ended in success. The United States, along with most areas on the planet, is at risk of being deleted by these demons. The United Nations are declaring emergencies in the areas that may be affected by these demons as a result. Resources are beginning to reach complete exhaustion as a result of this event. You are ordered to not panic during this crisis, as panicking will not increase your chance of survival. Rely on your own methods to protect yourself. We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. A global state of emergency now exists. There have been many disturbing reports about computer demons being discovered in other continents across the planet. Many people have begun to be deleted or brainwashed by these computer demons. The computer demons, now being called the Grey Goo demon version, is rapidly deleting the Earth biosphere, and it is said that the demons will delete all of existence within the next 24 hours. All attempts of neutralizing this threat has failed, and no more plans are available to stop the demons. Humanity will not be capable of surviving this nightmare. The world leaders have all been killed as a result of the Grey Goo demon version. Bring all your friends and family together in an underground shelter and brace for the end. This is the EAS guy, Paul, signing off.
La 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 la.